you're the RÉCIT person for the English Montreal School Board. Can you talk about what this involves and how you ended up in this position?
Yes, okay, so the RÉCIT is a network of pedagogues. Their mandate is to promote the integration of technology in the schools. There are different levels of um, RÉCIT members. So there's the local RÉCIT. That's what I am, a local RÉCIT. It means it's someone in charge of sharing all the resources gathered by the RÉCIT in their school board. So there's one for every school board in the province of Quebec. And then we have the national RÉCIT. The nationals are composed of only one person per subject matter for the whole province. So they also have the same mandate, which is the promotion of the integration of technology, but they do it at a provincial level. So they work a lot with us. They build a lot of resources, websites, interesting pedagogical resources that we can use with our teachers and our students in our school boards. We also have the FGA, which is Formation Générale des Adultes for adults. So you also have RÉCIT in charge of the adult sector. And you also have for private schools. So there's one person in charge of for all the private schools. How did I ended up being a local RÉCIT? I was actually hired as an ICT consultant. ICT stands for Information, Communication, and Technology consultant with the board. Someone else has the official RÉCIT title at the EMSB. Her name is Caroline Dupuis, but she was on loan for the ministry, and I ended up for the last 4 years replacing her. So she's probably going to come back, and I'm going to go back to becoming a regular ICT consultant. But for now, I wear both hats.